Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Abacha, also known as African salad. So keep watching if you want to see how I made this. In a pan I will add my palm oil. Next I will add my palm ash water, that is miringo. I'm using ngo for this recipe. You can use potash, it is a great alternative. Guys, this is a quick one, so I have already soaked my cassava flakes in warm water for 3 to 5 minutes. Save it and allow it to drain excess water, so everything is happening really fast. Next, I'll go in with my blended peppers and onions, ogiri igbo, grounded crayfish, seasoning cubes, Cameroon pepper, ehuru, prawns. I'll give it a good mix. Next, I'll add my oba, cooked pomo, and mix properly. Next, I will go in with my abacha. I'm going to mix it really well, making sure that everything is well combined. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I will garnish with my fresh otaze. Mix very well. At this point, you can warm it or serve it cold. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.